Hello and welcome back to the US Top 40. Between the keys, I'm teaching my way through every song in the US Top 40. It's YYY, Shawn Mendes, number 33. This song uses mainly the same 4 chords all the way through, which makes it easier for you. E minor is the first one. Opened up my journal to a page, that's D, but over F sharp in the bass. Opened up my journal to a page, G, everything G, D over F sharp, that hurts me still the same. We go to C, same. Feels like there's nothing, feels like there's nothing new for me to say. That's C, D, E minor, G, Y, C, Y. Then again the same, E minor, sweating through the sheets, shaking in bed. E minor, D, G, G, D over F sharp, visions of her naked in my head. But I went off and chose myself instead. That's E minor, and we go to G, Y, C, Y. And then we go to the chorus, which is I don't know why, C to G, D to E minor, I don't know why, C, G, Y, that's D, Y, D. And then verse 2, I stepped off the stage with nothing left. I stepped off the stage with nothing left. That's where I should be singing that. Stay on G. All the lights were fucking with my head. G to D over F sharp to C. Now we go C, D, E minor. But here I am singing songs again. We go G. Y, G to C. Y indeed. Why is the question? Okay, E minor. I don't know why. D over F sharp, G, D over E, D to E minor. I don't know why. C to G, Y, we go to D. Bridge, feels like everything goes round and round, C, G, D. And round it goes, we go to C. And again the same, feels like everything goes round and round it. D over F sharp, just stay on that one, because you go to verse 3. Thought I was about to be a father, shook me to the core, I'm still a kid. Sometimes I still cry for my mother. Why, C, G to C. Chorus, I don't know why. E minor, D over F sharp, G, D, I. 2 chords for the I. I don't know why. C to G. Y. That's a D to finish off the chorus. And the outro is the same as the bridge. So you go to C. Feels like everything goes round and round it goes. Feels like everything goes round and round. D over F sharp. 1 note wrong there, just the C. That's all you need, D over F sharp. And weirdly, it ends on that chord. You'd think it would resolve nicely. Feels like everything goes round and round. Nice G to finish, but no, it doesn't come. Or does it? Take a listen to the song and tell me. In the comments, does it resolve to a G? I've already forgotten. I don't think it did. I think it stayed on that D over F sharp, which feels unresolved. At least go to a C. Actually, that movement, just those 2 chords, reminds me of Man in the Mirror, Michael Jackson. Yeah? Gonna make a change for once in my life. Gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. Anyway, that song's already up on the channel, so you can go and have a listen to it. If you like Man in the Mirror, you can go and learn that one too. But this has been Shawn Mendes with YYY. Actually, it's been me, Dan, with YYY. How to Play by Shawn Mendes. And that's the US Top 40 number 33. I'm moving on now to 34. We Pray by Coldplay, Little Sims, Burna Boy, and Eliana Antini. Jeez, what a mouthful. Do you think they could have had any more musicians on that one? So, stay tuned for number 34. We're nearly at 40 now. I've only got 7 to go. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a like. Really helps the channel out. So does clicking subscribe and the notification bell, I think. And thanks for watching again. Between the Keys. See you in the next one.